you want to delete some tiers? This is like a shit ton.
S plus 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 plus.
Get rid of E. We don't need an E tier. You go in the little thing on the right. We don't need a
C plus. We don't need a C plus.
What the fuck is that?
Should we just what? Why is there an S plus and not an S? So dumb. We'll do S plus. We're not gonna do a bunch of pluses.
This is still a lot. So each of the rows need to be defined by something, and I want to put a bunch.
Get rid of S plus.
Okay, that's fine.
Her. This color better.
What about her? Her's an S.
Okay, I'm not gonna be able to name these all by the.
I can
title.
Probably.
I can. Okay, it's just gonna go by. Okay. We
her.
Look at 'em.
Her is probably S.
Yeah, it's an S. It's an S. What's this?
Oh, that's the hi. Hi. Oh, this blissful overdose. Hi. Just.
Wait, what is it? Where is it?
It's down. It's a single.
Something about.
There it is. It's Luna hi.
Oh.
Jeez, it's so autistic.
Shut up.
It's like a B.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a C.
Psychosis is a B too. Yeah, C. I'm not too upset with C.
Psychosis.
It's a doggy shit.
What is this? Ecocide. Oh yeah, that's an S. That's an S.
Dialone is S.
Dialone.
It's not on her YouTube channel anymore. It got taken down. You have to look it up.
Why?
I don't know why. I think I have a lot of recency. I have a lot.
What? Is this the?
Oh, wait. Go back. Did he do a Dialone cover? Carl Fragenstrom did a Dialone.
Oh. I feel like. Oh my god, this is recent. Meeting you was one of the best things I could have in my life. Dude, this guy isn't Zach Hill. Is he so excited? First drop. I like how he. Two outros? What?
Oh yeah, it doesn't really go along with the song.
The drums?
Yeah.
We're not here for drums. We're here for Dialone. I'd put an A.
Borderline is F. It's F.
I don't remember this. I don't remember
like George. It's a noise ambient track. It's really bad.
Yeah, I put enough.
Oh. Ultra Despair is D. It's definitely a D. Wow, Nick, you're really adding a lot of commentary to this.
I don't remember like these last albums.
It's okay. It's a D.
Okay.
Oh, Light at the End of Tunnel is S. I very much enjoy that song.
I don't remember it.
You're such a bitch. It has such a good drop.
It's like a B.
What?
A then.
Fine. Shit. The last thing she sent me is like I can't even remember it. It's not very good though.
Oh yeah, it's just
This has 200,000 views.
It's like a C or a D.
It's D. Inertia status is an A.
What?
The next one is inertia status.
Help.
Yeah, it's A. It's a really good song though.
Oh, yeah, it's whatever.
Whatever is a B. The last thing she sent me is a B. Oh no, All the Joy in Life. We oh, I fucking hate that name. I just call it All the Joy in Life.
Oh,
That's the A. It's an A. It's an A.
I don't want to put the song in A if this is an A.
No, they're both just as good.
But it's like it's just boring. I don't know.
No, it's not. There's tons more shitty songs to come, okay?
We need more C's. We need more C's.
Okay, Self-Destruction Worldwide Broadcast is an A too.
No, it's not.
And
There's no way it is.
Disassociation.
There's no
And
way this song is an A.
Bum 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 bum.
Let's see the mustard play.
Bum bum.
Alright, it's an A.
This is
Oh wait, that's we already put it in there.
Disassociation.
This is like a
you
C.
probably have you heard it?
Yes, I have. I've heard all of these. Nate.
You don't like it? It's just the intro. It has a really beautiful, it's a very pretty song.
Oh yeah, I know this song. I remember this.
A, it's an A.
Yeah, it's an A. I think I put it in C.
There's Yes Tumor. That's a B.
A B.
Tortured Lesbians Ripped Apart is an F. I don't know that song actually.
I love
the next one.
you. The With You Forever. Dude,
I don't like this song.
It's so good. Why is there like a constant like? It's like a sine wave.
This song sucks. It's a D.
Yeah, it's a D.
Never existed. A, it's A. S. Okay.
What's this
Never
one?
existed.
Antidepressant. It's like an A.
B. I get B.
Yeah, you're right.
Slut Crushers.
Slut is a B or an A. I don't know. I don't listen to this album a whole lot.
I do. Wow, it's B.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's B.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Purple Hearts in Her Eyes is a B.
Oh, whoops.
Nick, why did you go?
Whoops.
You're so stupid. Yeah, it's a B.
Feels like a C.
I like this song a lot. I'm thinking A now, but it might be
No.
B.
It's a C.
It's a B. What? Oh, whatever. Car accident is a C.
Cry. Yeah. Dude, it's about a fan that got in a car accident.
Is it really?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me look it up. I don't remember. It's in a comment section. I think it's Mr. Kill Myself. This is one of those songs that you listen when you kill yourself. Yes! I got in an accident listening to this song in my car. Scary shit. No one got hurt though. I feel like I've heard that it's based on this song. There's a lot of comments, so I think. What the fuck? Whatever.
Okay.
So that moves it up to a B.
No, it's C. I hate this song. Come on, we gotta make a concession here. Okay. Existing Everywhere is really good.
I've been making concessions with you this whole time.
Existing Everywhere is I don't exactly know where to put it. I hate having to rank these. To B.
Wait. Was Sick Twisted Demented ever on here? We never. Oh,
it's
here it
it's probably
is.
later down. S.
Yeah.
S. Put goodbye in the S plus plus tier.
No, it's good, but it's not. It's not that good. Yeah, this is like a B.
Restlessness is an S. Restlessness is an S. Restlessness is an S. It is an S. It's one of my favorite songs
Let me
ever.
listen to the whole song.
Why? Yeah, but it's so good with all the build up.
Dude, you don't even listen to Vocaloids.
You skipped the drop! My god, Nick! It's like blue balled.
I'm evil.
Raise the volume! You don't have the bell turned on for Sewerslvt?
Where's the drop? Where's the drop? I don't hear no drop. I don't hear no drop.
Raise the volume now!
It's an A.
It's an S!
I'll put an A.
It's S tier. I fucking love that song. Put an S!
Okay, this'll be your S. This will be your personal S. We've agreed on all these. This is your one S.
I think I bleed as a B.
Yeah.
Looming Star Descent is a B. That's one song that everyone likes that I don't. I don't like this song that much. It's kind of boring. I'd even give it a C, to be honest.
I'd give it a B. I'd give it an A.
B. Put it in B. I don't like it that much. Nick, this is your kid. We got a pyramid going now. Nick, look, it averages out pretty well on the things so far.
Yeah, dude, we're normal. So many S's. It's a perfect artist.
What is break my heart? Yeah, break my heart.
Break my heart in yours. Yeah, this sounds good. No, it's not. This is like a C.
Yeah, it's fine.
What's this?
Oh, it's my fucked up hat.
It's so
I think it's ambient. D.
Is it a D or is it a B?
It's a D.
Yeah, it's a D. Whoops.
Deaf Heaven?
Yeah, this is like
change F to sewer again. And then change this up into slut.
Sewerslvt. The fuck is this?
It's the Deaf Heaven. Oh, where'd you put Deaf Heaven? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's I Really Like You Part 2.
Oh,
can you look it up again? Man,
it's in an album.
I recognize these way more than you do.
I Really Like You Part 2 is in an album.
Oh wait, no, no, sorry, it's Junko Loves You Part 2. Oh no,
that's also in an album.
Okay,
that's called Junko Still Loves You. Dude, I know this stuff more than you.
Go. I Really Like You Part. I Really Like You Part 2. You fucking confused me. Play it. You fucker! You motherfucker! I said it right the first time. You're gaslighting me.
He gaslighting.
I haven't listened to this in forever.
But this is a really good song. This is like an A.
Skip to the middle. Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an A. I need to save this again.
This is just the whole EP.
Hold on. What is the whole EP?
I Really
Is it
Like
on there?
You.
No, it's probably no. It's I Really Like You Part 1. I have this on cassette.
Hmm.
It's just the one. It's just that one.
This would be yeah.
Oh, ruined snowy day. I think
This
that's
whole
a
album is
C.
like a C.
It's you passed it.
Whoops.
It's how I don't understand how you don't see these immediately. Oh god.
I'm just not being a fan. Oh wait, this song is actually like A.
No, skip in the middle.
Maybe a B. It's like
It's a C. It's a C.
This is a B. Come on.
No, it's a C.
This is so B.
It's so boring.
It's
This
nice.
is we need more C's.
It feels like a ruined snowy day.
Shut up. Doesn't snow in Australia.
It does.
No, it does not. It's a C, Nick. We need to average it out, make the pyramid look better. It's a C. Okay, thank you.
What's this? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. This is let's see.
This album sucks.
Is that just the full album?
Making notes make me sad.
I think this is a B. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is a B.
I think it's an A. I like this song a lot. No, it's a B. You're right.
Yeah.
Junko Loves You Part 2. I like the first one more.
Junko loves you. You mean Junko really likes you?
Yeah.
Junko really loves you.
No, Junko still loves you.
Junko
You
still
fucking
loves
idiot.
you. Dude, I mean,
I like the first one more.
Yeah, me too. This is still.
This is a gross bastardization of Cyberbird.
This might be an A.
Really?
It goes so hard.
Are you joking?
No.
I think it's a B.
Come on, we've already.
This can get A if Junko Loves You gets this S. The first one.
What?
This can get an A if the first Junko Loves You get an S, because that's a very important
You already
song
had
to
your
me.
S. I don't know if that's an S.
You don't. It is an S. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Okay, we'll put that in A. We'll put this in B then.
No. A2 B2 Night of Fire. What was that? We gave that like an average.
It's like a B.
I haven't heard it, so. Wait, which Sewerslvt song is that from the Sewer Idol project? The next one.
Yeah, I'm fucking looking at YouTube.
Oh, it's going to be the one on the
Purple
YouTube, right?
Emotion.
Oh, Purple Emotion.
I have like hardly listened to this song.
This song is really good. The Purple Emotion.
Happy Hard.
My purple emotion, kitty me nodding down under my skin. My purple emotion, angels. You'd be so.
Okay, what is it?
It's a B.
It's a B.
Never Meant remix. That's a B.
Yeah.
Siberia Layer 3. That's an A.
Yeah.
A for Layer 2.
And then layer 1 is a B.
Layer 1's not on here.
What?
It's not on there for some reason.
Maybe it's 1 and 2.
Yeah, maybe.
Whatever. Bring Me the Horizon.
A. I'd put it A, but you're gonna put it B. Okay, good. Azalea gets A. I want to put it in S, but
Why is it an S?
hey, George. It's just that good. It is that good.
It's just that good.
It really is
No,
just.
it's
I
not.
love it. I think it's amazing. It's one of my favorite songs by her. I listen to it I listen to it weekly. I listen to it every week.
I listen to it like it's like biannually. I'll put it in B.
What?
We put Bring Me the Horizon in A.
Whoa. Okay, you're switch those at least. Like,
Okay.
I love Azalea.
I think the Bring Me the Horizon is better, but I think it's way
Cherub's theme
better.
is Cherub's
I would
theme
put
is
it
C.
Azalea in C if I had to.
Can we just put both of them?
In C?
Why don't you like
Yeah,
Azalea?
sure.
Azalea is one of her most viewed songs.
No, it's
It's
not.
literally just, yes, it is. It has 2 million views.
What?
Do you see?
What? Why?
It's great.
It's great. Dude, I can't look at most popular anymore.
You can't?
Dude, this fucking update, what the fuck?
It's because she's a music YouTuber.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck my life. Suck my life, bro. Suck my life.
Nick, put them back in their place. Put them both in. I'm like unequivocally like right. You can see.
Dude, I'm objectively.
How many views does Drown
populated.
have? How many views does Drown have?
Down in the sewer.
No, Drown, Bring Me the Horizon.
Oh,
It's 1 million. They're both
so.
One came after the other. I didn't know that.
Dude, Slow Death almost has 1 million. Oh wow, 1 million.
Nick, they're both A. They're both A.
Remember what was that? What was that about concessions? You said.
What concessions have you made?
Cher's theme is like a C.
Yeah, it is. What concessions have you made, Nick? Yandere thing is like a B.
Okay.
Kawaii Razor Blades.
What's this?
Get your wish. Get your wish is a B.
Okay.
What's that?
This? Slow Death.
Oh, Slow Death is A.
I don't know about that one, Chief.
You don't like it?
Might be an S.
S? I thought you were gonna say B because now I'm thinking B.
Okay, well then we'll settle for A then. Fuck me, dude.
Down the Drain is an A.
Yeah. Lexapro Delirium, that's like a B.
Goodbye is an S, obviously.
Yeah. Blooming Iridescent Flower.
That's an A.
Yeah. What's this?
Oh, this one from I Really Like You, I'm pretty sure.
No, it's not.
Oh no, it's from World is Fucked.
World is
You scroll through this so retarded.
1,000 Lonely.
I know this one.
This
is an A actually. This one's one of the good ones from that album.
Yeah. What's this?
That's B. That's one of the okay ones from the new album. Blissful Overdose.
Oh yeah. Grilled Fish, that's an A.
Play it again. I can't remember.
It's a little long.
It's not on here anymore, I think. Oh no, there it is.
Whoops. You think that's really funny?
Skip to the middle. Oh yeah, remember I like that you could read this both ways.
Yeah.
To B.
I used to really like this song.
Yeah, same, but it's way too long. To B. To B.
I can settle for B. Well, actually, I'm not settling. I'm just agreeing with you. No, fuck you. This is okay. I feel like it's a B actually.
Pretty cunt. What are we gonna
cunt.
say? What are we gonna say? It's the Sewerslvt song.
Dude, we're on record for this.
I do not like it.
What the fuck is that
anymore.
sound?
There's people racing outside. I don't like it anymore. I really do not. Can you play it? You never liked it?
I
You can just look up Pretty Cunt because it's not. Oh, it is still on here. It's the very first one. Oh, it's so annoying. I don't like it anymore at all. I find it really grating.
I've always thought the vocals were annoying, but I thought the rest of it was pretty good. Like,
I can't stand
is
this.
good.
I can't stand this song anymore.
I like this part.
I don't think it's bad though.
I feel like it's it. What is it for you?
This song used to make me so excited.
What is it for you?
I mean, it used to be an S for me. But
What is it now?
it's like a B.
Yeah, it's a B.
Oni is a
Oni.
C.
I don't fucking.
It's so boring. Such a boring song.
Oh, I
listen to this when I do homework.
Oh yeah, that's true. This is like a C. Mr. Kill Myself.
As
you
you
already know. No, it's not an S. It's not an S.
What do you? Yes, it is. It's one of her best songs ever.
It's one of her most. What I thought you thought this song was fine. I thought we agreed on that.
That it's fine.
We that we like it. It's like an A.
Okay,
it's
play
not
it
an
again.
S.
Play it again. It's the song. Nick, I see you hovering on it for a second.
I don't know what it is. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Okay. Dude, 2 years ago. Oh shit! It's gonna be 3 years.
Oh my god, 3 years.
I'm not really sad you quit. I'm sure
3 years.
Isn't that crazy? Wow, I thought you hated ambience.
It's a little too long.
Yeah.
I zone out in the middle of it now because I've heard it so
me
much.
too. Dude, never
It's an
should have
A.
gotten TikTok famous.
Pretty Cunt was the one that did.
I know, but this was it first.
It's an A. It is. It definitely is.
Yeah, it's an
Esopherins, I can't stand. Dude, I told you what happened with that song, right?
What?
Where when I did homework and I was listening to Sewerslvt, it was always the one that it would autoplay. It was always the next one it would autoplay for like
Dolly.
a
If
year.
I go into work tomorrow,
I'm
gonna kill somebody. Well, what? Fuck, I don't remember it. Cry, 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 and over and over and over and over and over and over and over
And then
and
you
over and
realize
over and
you
over and
weren't good
over and
enough.
over and over.
And maybe those jackoffs were right. Darwin did have a point.
Those you mean those jackals?
I thought you said jackoffs.
No, it's like kangaroos, like kangaroo jackals, like they're like they get in your
Dogs?
face. I like how the most replayed is the break. I mean, not the breaks, the drops.
What does Esopherus mean?
Fuck.
Why do you use this browser, Nick?
I protect my data.
Are you actually worried about that? Like, genuinely?
It's just a better browser than Chrome.
How? You don't even have a bookmarks tab.
Sacrifice spelt backwards. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, because he's a sacrifice.
Nick, why do you use Brave again?
Covered in pieces of tail that you both open your nothing life and choking nothing life, and it's just not to keep not to protect it, but to hoard it to keep it
Like those ones circling.
It's like
Actually, maybe I don't know all the words. I haven't listened to it in a while.
it's like I feel it's an A.
Yeah, it's an A. Yandere Complex is an A. Yandere Complex is a good song.
I don't see
It's
it.
up there. You passed it.
I don't think I've ever like clicked on this video. Who is this?
It's some 4chan girl.
She's a yandere. Oh my god.
What?
Sorry, I skipped the start.
The guy has a really good. Carl Fragenstrom has a really good drum cover of this song. Like it's really good.
Yep.
Love is a mighty big. I don't remember love is a mighty big word.
Oh wait, this is love. Okay, it's a B then.
What did you think it was? This fleeting feeling?
Yeah. Or I thought it was a different song. It's nice. Like it's a nice intro. It's a very good intro. Wow. Love is a mighty big word. I remember this comment. Yeah, it's a B. What is this?
It's New Love.
It's like a B.
New Love is great.
It's 3 years ago.
Oh wow.
Dude, it has the wow.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
Stop sitting in my throat. Yeah, it's an A. I remember. It has that really good drop.
Junko Loves You's S.
Mm.
I love that song. It made me cry one. It made me cry.
Okay, if it made you cry, then it's an S. Helplessness. Helplessness.
Really?
I don't remember if it's an S.
Yeah, I don't. I was listening to it today actually.
Dude, Girls Last Tour. This is what made me watch Girls Last Tour.
You made me watch. You and Can made me watch it because you all started talking about it for some reason. This is not an S.
We
this
love
is not
it.
an S.
Yeah, I know. It's an A. Just a
Uh,
measly A. Bring me the.
What's an A?
What is this?
It's the Sadness song remix.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's it's an A. What's that?
Something.
Dude,
in
you
love.
need to watch
Watamote.
Watamote.
There's an A.
Yeah, it's an A. That's
So many A's.
What's this? In
I can't remember the
Peace.
name.
In Peace. It's like a.
Oh, I love this. Yeah, it's B.
Dude, I love this. It's B.
Someone found the cover. Well, we did it, guys. This is our official Sewerslvt YouTube ranking.
What, dude? She doesn't have the best DLS song.
What?
She doesn't have "Swinging His Cell."
Oh my God, you're right. Where would you put "Swinging in a Cell"?
I put an S. It's like one of my favorite songs ever.
Okay, take a photo of it and scribble SC for "Swinging Cell." No, it doesn't matter. I can't believe she didn't add it. You know, wait, you can add your own images, I'm pretty sure.
Dude, not safe for YouTube.
What was that? What did you see?
His boobs.
Where?
The cover of the album.
I think you can add an image. Go back to it. Can you not add an image?
I guess not. Well.
Okay, well. This is our Sewerslvt ranking.
This is the serious. This is not.
Please put down
this
in
is
the comments
Sewerslvt.
if you agree with us or you disagree with us.
This is the objective Sewerslvt.
Man, I am tired right now. It's 8 o'clock and I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Well, I'm going to be in the water in exactly 12 hours. I don't want to.
Okay, Did you finish the recording?
Oh, I don't know.